Alright guys, how's it going? Welcome back on another great adventure. We've got the abandoned excavators left behind in Quarry today. I'd just like to say thank you to everyone who subscribed and watched that video. It's got 100,000 views. Like, I can't even believe it. 100,000 views on one of my videos. That's unbelievable, guys. So I thought I'd come back for you and get another shot with the Urbex Ninja. None of these diggers they're all knackered, guys. They're all knackered. But yeah, there's a few crushes. If you've seen the last video, check it out again. Going up a look at the famous. So see what he's doing. He's having a right little scavenge. What are you doing? Got you on camera. Watch yourself. Don't want no broken bones. Someone exploring with us today, guys. Katie off Instagram. Oh, wow. It's still the same. We've not come back, guys. Just had to. Shall we go and get in here though first? That's the question. It's like sludgy everywhere, sludgy, guys. We're back. Oh, I love it. Oh, fox. We're back, guys. And the amazing. There's the bucket. Welcome back anyway, guys. Respect everyone who subscribed. Sun's come out. Got a surprise for you as well, guys, today for the 100k view. The 100k view. Can't believe we're back here. It's like proper wet here as well. The beast. Who's here? It's a mad one, that, guys. Oh, there's puddles of water everywhere. Going up now, guys. It's been give out for rain like all day. That's the jam, that one, guys. That is the jam. It's a mad one, guys. Getting the shots as I go. Bucket's got water in. It's a monster, guys, isn't it? If I knew how to, I'd get this going, guys. Oh, there's still like oil and a few things under the seat. Oh, nearly died then. Yo! Go down here. The biggest one's down here. Yeah, the biggest one. Just tell him. Found the cash box. Yeah. That's the winner, that one there. I think that's the crusher there, guys, and then this is the beast. I'm sure it's the same size as that other one in that quarry what we're seeing. Oh shit. The seat's still in there, guys. It's still been saved, which is good. Nice and dry in there. Well, this, I bet this would run, this would, guys. All you guys in the comments, you'd be able to get this running, wouldn't you? Just the battery and a bit of diesel. You'd get this going straight away. It's like a screen. Let me know in the comments. I don't really know what they are, guys, but I'm sure this is a crusher. Goes into a screen and then I don't know, you tell me. And I've done some research as well, guys. These have been abandoned for 15 years. The company went bump and they just shut down, and that was the end of that sort of thing. So we're not trespassing. The land's, it's like public land up there. That's a quarry, and it's here. But yeah, it's all over. Well, not many people know about this, to be honest, but I'd like to keep it a secret because we don't want it getting to the wrong hands. You know, where people come and burn it and all that. It's got a brand new exhaust on. Hold on a minute. Let's see if I can hold it up high enough. Check that, guys. Brand new exhaust. That's weird. The undercarriage is quite good actually. It's not the best, but get a few shots, guys, and I'll be back with you. Is he here? The ninja? Eh? Have you? I'm just hiding around here a minute.
Hiding? I'm the bogey man.
This has got a brand new exhaust on, you know.
You know what? I'm sure there was something here with a ladder on where I climbed up because I filmed you.
It's round here, isn't it? It's around the other side of it here. Yeah. You know that Vayabout thing?
Yeah.
Go on, I'll come have a look with you actually. Because I didn't go up it, did I, last time? D-Mag, yeah. Someone commented on my video and they said it's slang for another name.
Yeah.
And it's the actual makers for quarrying. Like the...
Just been telling people stay tuned because we've got a treat at the end of the video.
Yeah, I said that as well.
Great minds think alike.
I stood in a puddle of water again.
Wasn't like this last time, this boggy, was it?
It was sunny, wasn't it, last time we come?
It was pretty bright day. I think it come about February, March.
Oh, that's slate.
Slate.
It's here, isn't it, this? Was this it?
Yeah, I know. I can remember climbing up some ladders because we filmed you on the opposite side.
Can't remember now. I think it was that side, wasn't it, down there? Yeah, it says there's some ladders down there.
Yeah, I've missed that then.
They're all the way up there. Yeah, it's like, let me know in the comments, guys, you know the ones. What is this? Is it a screen or a crusher? Because I can imagine by these springs that shakes it.
Yeah, it'd be some kind of suspension.
Yeah, that'd shake it down, wouldn't it? Sort of thing. It's like an electric box there of some sort. I know that's a shot, isn't it, that?
Shot from.
Shot rough. Oh, there's some baths here. Proper generator, isn't it, this? It's a diesel tanker in it as well, I see you.
Yeah. Getting the shot. Getting the shot here.
Got to get the shots, haven't you?
That's Spanish huge.
What do you reckon these are, guys? Eh?
Do me a favour and pick it up.
You picked up?
So why don't you pick it up? I just want people to get an idea how big it is.
Oh, how big it actually is?
Yeah, just an idea of the size of that. Whoa!
Yeah, that is a big one,
That's
isn't
a beast.
The Vanachrome.
Vanachrome.
Yeah.
Vanachrome.
Wow.
Vanachrome, innit?
France.
France.
Back on.
Oh, it's all muddy. Oh, nails. I don't want to go near them. Check that, guys. Mad. It's like, I don't even know, guys, massive engines in it. Then a piston. Let me know what this is out of, guys. Let me know. Put that in my Corsa. That is a monster. Just the oil. Got the tiny spare of oil in. Come on now. Guys. That's mad. Get a few shots. Ah, funnel, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Putting diesel in the tank. That noise, creepy.
You don't want it?
Don't want it? Where's this date? What you're on about?
In here, and go that way. Right there, straightforward on that brick there.
Oh yeah, 1950.
Well, I'm been here.
Oh yeah. What that is?
Old, isn't it, that? 70-year-old.
Oh, that's like a fire hydrant thing on it, but it's got an electric cable going off it. That's a bit weird, that. Black cone. Oh, there's another diesel tank around here. Oh, and a toilet. Portaloo, actually. Portaloo, guys. See it? No way. That's a pisser, that is. Let's see if this. Toilet's gone. Have you noticed this here? Big saw bench. Yeah, yeah. Big massive thing. What's in that bag?
A fucking body, mate.
Fucking. It's a brick, like.
It's a fucking brick, man.
Fucking MC Devil.
Fucking devil, mate.
Oh, is that cable? I was talking about. 500 quid here. Oh yeah, it's still in.
What?
Yeah. Copper in that.
Yeah. Yeah, 5 game bin. Is it? Yeah.
See how long it is? Don't have any ideas, guys. Who burnt my caravan? That's what used to be a caravan.
Is that what that was?
I'm sure of it, yeah.
It's full of rats in here.
Is it?
Yeah.
I think, well, there used to be a tractor here at one point. See it, yeah.
But if you lifted these up, there'd be something under them.
I just stood on it. Under that one. No. Yeah, that used to be a caravan. Oh, has it?
Yeah. That's why I've come back here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just chilling, man.
Yeah.
Let's go have a look at a bit more then. It's recording. For asbestos. Is that even asbestos?
Yeah.
Yes.
Old school.
Break it and go like that.
No, I've had enough of that in my time.
Very bad advice, Tom. Don't listen.
I've had enough of that in my time, am I right? I'm gonna have a look up here. There's another bucket there, guys. Wow, yeah.
It's proper squishy.
Another engine.
You tried.
Yeah, we have tried.
Some places it's in back, it's a crack or what.
I know, I was having a look at there, then. It's a bit thick, yeah.
Yeah.
It's suspect, like.
In fact, it's a reef or
Yeah.
On the vapes, yeah. It's got to be done nice. Apple and mango.
I don't like that one.
Mad, isn't it?
Like you can see there, they dug out to the ground.
Yeah, they would have blasted it, wouldn't they? When you find that thing. Oh, I bet it's slippy in it here. So right, that is. That thing is down here, isn't it? Screen. That's the screen, guys. Looking at it from a different angle this time. Let me know in the comments, guys, what you think. Give it a share with your friends. You know how we do. Give it a like, comment, and a subscribe. We do this stuff so you don't have to. So yeah. Just chilling, man.
When are you doing the magic, mate?
I don't know if to do it or not.
Go on, do it. I'll film you and photograph you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you reckon, guys?
I don't know. I don't know what you're doing.
I'd do it by a digger or something that looks cool.
What, that one? Or shall we go down to the one down there?
Well, your intro.
Yeah. Could say that.
Well, for me, I'm just going to put it on the end of my footage. So when I started, I said, oh, we've got something in store for you later. We've got some video to tell you that.
Yeah. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Cheese, you walk before lesson.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, definitely. Oh yeah, they've blasted that, haven't they? Bloody hell. That is machine gun. Imagine that on your skin. Is that another one of them things?
Hey?
There's one of them up there, wasn't there? Or is that the same
It's
one?
the same one.
Wow, what is it?
He's going to his mum for a planter. We'll grow flowers in that, top and bottom. Put it on a wall in a garden, honestly.
Say no more, guys, say no more.
I'll go in with that, that'll make your day, mate.
The beast, guys, the beast. Do you reckon?
Do it from these rocks? Pull the top off. Hold the thing there. Hang on, I'll come over to you.
What is this for grenade?
Yeah. Pull the top off. Point it away from you and use this bit to strike it like a match.
What do you think them bangs are? Just odd bricks falling down? Yeah.
I've got a clue.
Oh, he's got it going.
What's in smoke?
Right, Kevin, look. Hey, there he is.
Slow motion. That shit me up, that, did you know?
Yeah.
Is it recording? Yeah. Is it recording? Right, yeah.
It's a shot. Still going. Still going.
Will do, won't it?
Is he going to go get it? Go get it, mate.
interesting's happening.
I'll hold it. Can I hold it? Why?
Got the shot?
Yeah. Shot, bro.
Congratulations on 100,000 on the video.
Yeah.
Hey!
Is it put out?
Smoke on. What's he doing, guys? It's like it's on fire, yeah.
It does as well.
Not as good as mine.
Caught on fire.
Yeah, Urbex Ninja sets for fire in Quarry. 2019. Shot, bro. Shot, bro. You know, fire brigade here in a minute.
You know, bro, what are you doing?
Still going. That's going to be my clickbait now, that is.
Yeah.
Fire at Quarry.
Straight on that one.
I'm on.
Straight on that.
Yeah, so that's like the video.
There's barbecue there.
What is your point?
So it is.
We were having a barbecue caught on fire.
The end of that then is. I've just noticed what this is. What do you reckon this is, guys? For not building stone. I'm sure this is what they use for not building stone. That is a beast, isn't it? Oh. Camera. Oh, fuck. No, it's not broke, it's just got shit on it. It's still working. We've got that on camera as well. That's going in the video. So that's the end of that one, guys. I've just smashed the camera. So we'll see you on the next one. Like and subscribe. You know what to do. Peace out.